Want to add your hometown onto your Facebook profile and you don't know how to do that, so don't you worry because I'm going to tell you the exact way in this video tutorial. So if you want to do that, just make sure you have watched this video to the very end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and then after that just simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap at see your about information. In your about information, you will find the option of add hometown. So that's where you can easily find the option of add hometown. Just simply tap on it, and then here just simply search for the location which you want to add over there. I'm just searching like something. Select it, whatever you have searched, and then here you can set the visibility. You can set it to friends or only me, whatever you want. Just simply set it, and then tap at save to save these changes. So here you can see, just simply refresh it. Here you can see we have just added the hometown onto our Facebook profile. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video and answer me. And if you like this video, just make sure you have subscribed this channel to don't miss the latest video. And